Alright, when I set it down. Got him. Sweet.
I got a perchy, you got a perchy.
We both got a perchy, huh? So we're gonna have some perch tacos tonight.
And some of those crispy pieces I like.
Yep. We'll make them extra crispy for you. King, there's a fish. There's a fish. Oh yes! The perch keep getting bigger, I swear. They keep getting bigger. Okay, stop. Let it sit for a sec.
I saw another bite.
There's tons of fish down there, Biggs. Got one right on the drop. King, let's see if you can get a double up. Oh yeah.
I don't got one.
Wow. Chunkers, guys. Look at that. Sheesh. I think they're looking at it now. They're like, ooh, Kingston. Ooh, Kingston. Good job. There's so much fish down right there, King. Got one. You gotta get the next one. I believe in you, Biggs. I believe in you! Look at that giant. Look at that giant.
That's not giant.
Get one? My son just got one. Thank you, Biggs. Nice. Good
Got
job.
double up.
We pretty much did, huh?
Oh.
High five. Nice, bro.
We pretty much got a double up.
We pretty much did, huh?
Yeah.
Should we try to do another one? You want to put that one back? We'll keep this one? Or do you want to keep that one too?
Sounds good.
You want to keep them all?
Hey, what are you doing? You're never escaping fish. He just did a backflip. No. No. Got six.
Got another?
7.
Chonkers, baby.
7. Now we got 7 now.
There's one. Pick it up.
It's a biggie.
Is it? Oh, that is a really big one. Oh, wow, King, nice.
That's a really big one.
It is, dude. Bro, nice.
Yeah, nice.
Dude, good job.
That's definitely a keeper.
Definitely a keeper. Should we wait it?
Yeah. That was a really good one. So far we got all of them looking good.
Here's the layer. We'll pull that out and see how long it is.
My layer. Dad, come see how much it is.
That could be a PB, baby. For you. That's definitely your PB, bro. Let's see. Ooh, 10.5-inch perch, Biggs. Good one. Good one. Got another.
Dad, all the fish we got over here. Here's just something wrapped.
Oh, look at that, King.
What?
It looks like he got bit by a tiger muskie or something. You see that? On that side right there?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, huh? Slaying the perch. We'll toss this in the smallie bag. But we are pulling giants over here. My son just pulled that 10.5.
We're gonna take.
Got some fish over there.
I have you in that fish.
Yeah, you did, huh?
Yep.
Both hands? Heck yeah.
Let's go, Dad.
Let's go.